shade. It's too fucking sunny out there. Come on. Too hot. You in the flannel pants and a flannel shirt. I mean, I understand, but holy fuck. Well, fucking, if they want to sit down and be lame, they can.
Look at all this great shade. Look at this. It's even going all the way up to the rocks now.
It's attractive. Come on. You'll feel good in the shade. Or whatever. Or you'll feel like shit.
If they want a tan, they can.
They want to feel like shit, I think.
They want to look like Staten Island burritos, that's all.
You guys want to feel like shit. This is your way by spin. They're married. Too much shit, I ain't gonna let it last me. Too much shit, I ain't gonna let it last me. Too much shit, I ain't gonna let it last me. Too much shit, I ain't gonna let it last me. Nothing for me, nothing for my time. The rage on spin. Pennsylvania is pretty fucking cool. I don't have to deal with looking at a bunch of skyscrapers and corporate garbage. It's really fucking nice. I got lakes and trees. Really, what else do you need besides lakes, trees, and electric guitars? And drugs. Lots of drugs. Now, if you got some drugs, feel free to throw them at me. This is a half Joe song, half Mike song. It's called The Grain. Tumbling down, yeah, down to the